set up on that gas tank, and like it's kind of a little bit, you gotta have a set on you.
Yeah.
Because like just go wide open and trust that rear end's gonna break traction. You can. But it's just the tires are so wide, and these are dirt tires. It just hooks right up. Power wheelies.
All right, guys, we're here doing some mini trike testing at a undisclosed motocross track. So we're gonna see how well this thing performs, what we can do, get some video, get some pictures, and just have a fun time. Ben just did a little ripping.
Yeah, I was gonna say, spoiler alert, it's awesome.
But I got the whole suit on so we can not be demonetized or not be given the shaft by TikTok. So
I feel like you need to get amped up, man. You're just like,
I am amped up.
Well, see, you should have took a couple laps on the freaking trike like I did. Now I'm just freaking amped up to the moon. Between that Baja Blast.
Baja Blast.
Now, do you have a mic on you so I could hear you? Dang it.
Giggling and laughing.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you put him on freaking rapping exhaust all day. He's freaking out of the game. Freaking getting those shots. What do you think there, guy?
You know, damn it. I should have had that a little bit more framed up. Look how sweet this looks, though.
This little foreground?
Oh, yeah. On purpose.
Man. Dude, you're going to lose it when you see what Dave got.
Oh, really?
You can see it in the whatever, but you come out of frame a little bit. My bad, but see your little goodies and then.
That was sweet. Man, that's gonna make for a hell of a
Flyby.
Freaking Dave's all dirty from taking a dirt nap.
Yeah, I got a couple.
You should get the same shot, but like me coming this way and going like that.
What is he doing? Woo! Man, that's fun. What do you think, man?
You're getting pretty nuts out there.
Dude, you can turn this thing so sharp once you learn how to ride this thing.
I've been telling you that for years.
Phew. Dude, this thing's so much fun. Like, you pair this machine with this facility.
I can't believe how hard Dave's been working on the track.
This thing's an absolute ripper, man. It totally exceeded all my expectations. Like, this thing's awesome in the yard and on the pavement and whatever, but we're hitting stuff here at the motocross track.
The what?
Motocross track?
Motocross?
What?
Moto?
That's what I said.
Motor?
Oh, I'm gonna go have an espresso after this.
Okay.
I tried to get some air over there.
Alright, let's get Dave on this thing.
Let's get Dave on it.
Old Dave's taking it for a ride. He was doing those whoops pretty good.
He was off the seat. Like, I thought it was watching Ricky Carmichael or something. Tell you what, man, this is what the trike's all about. come out here, hang with your buddies, ripping some donuts, having fun on the track. You better watch out. I bet he's coming this way.
Yeah. Man, he's coming hot!
You have to go back and do some maintenance, how to clean your carburetor.
Gotta clean your carburetor. Look, looks like you're working out. Do you want to start to record your cycle? Like, what the heck? Because I was really working those handlebars.
But man, this thing's just taking a beating and just performing.
Yeah.
And you put these things together right, man. Freaking...
Ben, dirt track review. What do you think? Exceeded our.
I mean, you got a dirt tire on a dirt track, you know.
Dirt weasel driving it.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a match made in heaven, you know. It's awesome. What more is there to say?
Yeah.
Got it.